Hey everyone, we are taking our challenge outdoors today. Today we're going to have a nice flow in a space to dare to love your body. What would you do to take care of your body and say, I love you? Let's start in down dog. So I am planting my hands and placing my feet at a comfortable distance at this very early down dog stage. Tipping yourselves right upside down, pedaling out your feet. Beautiful. Lift way up high, up onto the balls of your feet. Bend your knees deep and then press long in your arms. See if you can get your tailbone to reach up higher. Hold it for a moment. Feel long in your spine, long in your side bodies, and then slowly start to release your heels towards the mat. It's okay if they don't touch. It really is. Now lift back up and drop both heels to the right, giving yourself just a little bit more stretch along the left side of your body. Yeah, we are outside, just in case you're wondering what those beeping sounds are. Drop both heels over to the left. We are going to take our practice with all the sounds of nature, the birds, the vehicles. All right, nice. Glide forward into an upper push-up. So simply hold right here. This is a great space to not only build some strength, but also to measure the distance from your hands to your feet when you press back up into down dog. So that's approximately where the hands and feet placement, I loosely say, should be. Beautiful. Press it back. We're going to do one more. Come forward. Beautiful. This time, drop your knees. And we're going to hold. You've got this. Nice strong arms. Drop the knees. Dare to love your body right here. Say, I love you, while we connect with nature and all that surrounds us. Be brave. I want comments below to everyone who decided to take their practice outside. Beautiful. All right, press it back to child's pose. So big toes come to a touch. Knees go wide. Let your torso fall towards your mat. Oh, if the forehead wants to rock a little side to side on your mat, you can take that fancy pleasure. Nice. Now come up onto finger pads. So take a look at my fingers if you're wondering what that means. So just the tips. Come into these two little arches, almost like you were holding a ball. Press your fingertips connectively into the mat, and then draw the shoulder blades down the back. You might feel a little sensation like your biceps are trying to roll upward. That's okay. We're getting this little opening and set of the upper back and shoulders. Beautiful. Come on back up into hands and knees. So from this space, simply hold, nice and strong. Still feel that length, that push away from your mat. Nice, long, little broad stretch across the back. Beautiful. Now take your right arm out to the side. Weave it down under. Thread the needle. Weave it down under. Yes, your bum is probably right up into the air. It's all good. This left hand, what do I do with my left hand? Find a space of stability. What feels like a stable space for you? You can stretch it out. You can bring palms together. simply use that left hand either for some stability or even to press a little bit into your palms, depending on what your body is feeling that it needs. What makes most sense to you right now? All right, come on back around. Once again, hold nice and strong and steady. Long spine. Simply engage the hands, engage your shins and the tops of your toes with your mat and get nice and long. Beautiful. Left arm swings out and then weaves under. Take this twist on the opposite side. And now your right arm becomes your supporting arm. Some nice deep breaths here. We're waking up the back body in this gentle flow. Plant your hands one more time, strong and steady, long spine. We're not moving, simply recognizing the strength and connection between our body and the mat below us. Beautiful. Take your right toes back. Adjust yourself if you're finding yourself off your mat. Right toes back. Lengthen through the back of the leg. Beautiful. Center yourself and lift your back heel right about hip level. Whatever you can feel. Okay, yeah, that might be about hip level. Maybe you take your eye gaze back. Make sure that it's not kind of way out here. Keep it centered. Beautiful, nice long neck. Hold. Ooh, do you feel the left thigh firing up? You might feel something else firing up. One more big breath here. Nice. Set it down. Come to child's pose. Long spine. Rest, rock your forehead. 3, 2, 1. Come on back up. Nice. Engage, connect, stability, support, left toes back. We'll stretch the back leg and then lift and lengthen, lift and lengthen. Play around with it. How's it feel? You know, notice maybe the heaviness of your leg, or if it's up too high, maybe your back starts to bend and you get a little bit of a pinch in your back. Explore the space. Find length and stability as we build strength. Strength with length and stability. You've got this. Hold it. Feeling this in your core maybe? Breathe. We've got this. 3, 2, 1. Nice. Set it down. Rock that forehead side to side. Stretch your arms out in front of you. Come back into upper push-up. Upper push-up. Hands, feet, hold strong. 3, 2, 1, down dog. Nice. Pedal out those feet. Make any micro adjustments, really bend your knees. You give length to your spine and then drop the heels to the space they're going to drop. All right, this time we're going to lift the right leg up. So we've got both knees off the mat this time. 3-legged down dog. Simply reach back with those right lifted toes. Get long, beautiful. Stay right here, simply bend your right knee. Beautiful, stay right here with the knee bent. And then slowly start to roll your hip open. So as if you're steering your knee, your lifted knee, up towards the sky. Okay? And real easy here, it's easy for your right shoulder to try to go along with you. See if you can keep your shoulders square. Nice. Nice hip opener. Bring that foot back down to the mat. And then take the left side up. I'm going to really break this down so you can feel each part individually. Left toes, really reach, reach, reach. We're giving so much length and space to our spine from here. Stay right here, but simply bend your knee. Bend your knee. You're still holding. You're feeling yourself juggling between the 3 points of contact. And then paint you're up to the sky. So your knee moves towards the sky. And here my right shoulder's dipping. Try your best to square up your shoulders. Yeah. Notice what shows up with that. Wow. That might feel amazing. You might notice something different. Bring those feet back together. We're going to walk to the top of our mat. So take your eye gaze towards the top. Walk your feet forward. You can keep your knees bent. We're taking this nice and slow so you can really incrementally notice. Come up to a halfway lift. Nice long spine here. Forward fold. Yes, knees bent are welcome. Inhale, halfway lift again. Roll those shoulders open. Beautiful, forward fold. This time, root down through your feet as you rise up. Reach your face up to the sky. Maybe you're facing the sun, maybe you're not. Pause for a moment, draw in that goodness, and bring your hands down to your heart. Taking your feet about mat width apart. Thumbs resting gently at your heart. I'm pretty sure I just said mat width apart, hip width apart. Thumbs gently resting. Beautiful. Sweep your arms up and reach towards the sky. Exhale, bring the arms down. This time, shift your weight into your left leg. Shift it and create a strong leg. As you bring your arms up, bring your arms up, right foot comes up with it. Your knee is bent and in front of you. Simply set it down with the arms going down. We'll do that same motion. Now you know where we're going. Lift up the right, reach for the sky. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up, reach for the sky. Knee comes up to follow. One last time. This is number 4. Inhale, right up, arms up. Now stay here. Roll as you open your arms to a T. Open your knee up out to the side, and we're going to come into tree. So plant your foot along your leg. Now we have a new connection with the earth, connection with yourself. It's okay if you slide out. Just come right back, connection. Reach the arms up or maybe behind your back. Open up the arm bones. Feeling that space. Beautiful. We're going to do a fancy switch. So bring your foot down, off, with your arms down by your sides. Lift that same right leg back. Feel the length. Remember, we were reaching behind us when we were down on our knees. Now here we are again. Long spine, connection point, pushing down into the earth. Beautiful. Hands come together. Woo! Shake it out. All right. Opposite side.
Left knee is lifting this time. Strong right leg. Inhale. We're going to move through 4 flows. Hello. I was a little off center. Sometimes our surfaces are uneven when we're outside. Bring it down. Let's do it again. Inhale. Lift up. Exhale and down. That's 2. Inhale. Strong right leg. Exhale. 1 more. Inhale. This one we hold. Strong and steady. Bring your arms out like a T, your knee out to the side, to the left side, and your foot to your leg. Feel free to come lower. Yeah, I might have a little wobbly surface that I'm getting a little challenged with here. A little slant to the space. Beautiful. All right, fly your arms back. Lift up that left leg and send it back. Send it back. Reach. Draw in the center core, like you're trying to hug 2 sides of your body together. Reach that lifted left leg back. Strong on the right. Strong through the left. Beautiful. Feet come together. Shake it all out. Inhale, sweep it up. Exhale, hands come through heart center. Bow. Bow forward. Inhale, halfway lift. Exhale and fold. And now take your 1 foot behind the other, doesn't matter, and make your way down into a seat. Sitting up nice and tall. Still a long spine. Different shape, different connector points. Hands come to the heart. Feel into this wonderful short flow practice. Peace, love, and gratitude to all of you. I hope you've enjoyed this outdoor adventure. Please share with everyone. Everyone needs a little piece of sunshine. And comment below and let me know if you practiced in a park, on a deck, or in your home. Bye for now. Namaste.